Welcome back to another video. Today we have another email from Harbor Freight. It says save up to 80% on outdoor power tools and more. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Alright, we got the new Atlas commercial grade outdoor power, way better than gas. We got a 20% off coupon. Hopefully I can zoom it in for you guys. I'm going to see if I can get it in the middle. All right, we got coupon code 1324512. So 132453112. It says good Harbor Freight stores cannot be combined with any other discounts, coupons, not valid at parking lot sale items. And charges and batteries excluded. Valid through 3/22. All right, that's pretty much the coupon. Feel free to take a screenshot of any of these coupons. Use these coupons at Harbor Freight or harborfreight.com. We got 40 volts times 2 power. It says 16-inch brushless chainsaw, $119.99. You got a 10-inch pole saw for $99.99. Then you have a 15-inch string trimmer for $79.99. Then you have a 24-edge trimmer for $79.99. Brushless blower, $79.99. It says batteries and chargers sold separately compared to standard 20-volt tools. You got 80 volt 4 times power, so 18-inch brushless chainsaw, $189.99. 16-inch brushless string trimmer, $119.99. And then you got a brushless blower, $119.99. So you're starting to see the lower prices on these, because they did, well, not really lower the price, but this $20 off will help you a little bit on this these tools. So knock down a little bit on those tools. Then you got the 21-inch brushless self-propelled lawnmower. It says automatic load sensing technology, variable speed cruise control, powerful rear wheel drive, 3-in-1 mulching bagging inside this, charged $319.99. And then it says folds for easy storage, pretty much a vertical storage. It says batteries and chargers sold separately. You got item number 5699 too. Got a brushless mower, longer life, extended runtime, more powerful and torque. 21-inch brushless push lawnmower, $249.99. Pretty much this is the basic one that they have, and this is the self-propelled one. So this is the nicer one basically. Got the power of the Bauer for your yard. 20-volt lithium cordless 10-inch chainsaw, $67.99. You got a jet fan blower, $49.99. You got the 12-inch string trimmer, $39.99. You got the 20-inch edger and trimmer, $39.99. You got the Portland Best Value and corded electric. Yeah, pretty much Portland is going to be your really good deals, like as in not spending a lot of money and getting the job done. That's pretty much Portland. The only bad thing about Portland is that you're dragging an extension cord, but it does get the job done. Most of these products, at least just about all of them. So you got a 7-amp electric pole saw with 9. I do have this, works really good. I do have the video on my channel. Feel free to check it out. I do have a couple of videos on sharpening this thing. And after I'm done sharpening it, it cuts like butter. But yeah, when they're brand new, these things are cut like, they're really good. $59.99. 14-inch electric chainsaw. You got a 14-inch electric chainsaw, $39.99. You got the 3-in-1 vacuum blower mulcher, $39.99. You got the 13-inch string trimmer, $21.99. I do have this. Well, I used to have this. Wasn't really the best item. The self-fitting or the auto feed thing on this doesn't really work as well. It does have a button you can press there, and so every time you're running low on string, you can press a button there and then just pull it a little bit, and then you can feed it that way. But it doesn't really work as it's advertised. It does have 4 stars. So, but if you're on a budget, pretty much $21 will get it done. You know, all I have to do is just keep pressing that button there. So 22-inch electric hedge trimmer, $29.99. You got the 14-inch clamp chipper shredder, $99.99. And then you got the 1750 psi pressure washer. This thing is great, guys. Definitely recommend that. $79.99. There's usually in the parking lot sale we see this cheaper. 2000 psi pressure. If you guys stay tuned this weekend. This weekend we got the parking lot sale coming up. If you guys want to look at the video, go to my channel, Toolhead147, and looking for the parking lot sale, March parking lot sale 2020. I do have a video of the catalog from the parking lot sale that's coming out. So go and check it out. I'll see if I can link it up above. If not, then just go to my channel and look for it. It's only like I would say about 5 or 7 videos before this one. So go to my channel and check it out. 20147 parking lot March parking lot sale 2020. You can search that up on YouTube here on the top. So 2000 psi pressure washer, $159.99. This is the new one that they have. I gotta say, it looks pretty decent. I looked at it already at the store. Looks pretty good. You got the 2500 2.4 gallons per minute, 4 horsepower. This is a gas one. $279.99. Not a bad deal. Got the 3500 watt inverter generator, $689.99. This is going to be your cleaner energy for RVs. I would definitely recommend something like this. This is mostly for industrial use, for tools and emergency uses. But these work great too. But this is a much cleaner energy. You got TVs, you got computers, sensitive equipment. You got the shipper shredder, 6.5, $399.99. You got the 2 horsepower earth auger, $179.99. Got the 5-ton electric log splitter, $249.99. Got the 10-ton hydraulic log splitter, $99.99. Then you got some 1-inch clear water gasoline engine water pump, $59.99. You got the water pump 212cc, $184.99. And then you got another water pump here, 3-inch, $299. You got some more water pump. These are submersible, $49.99 for the lower one, $49.99 for this one, and then 1/3 horsepower, $74.99. You got the half a gallon multi-purpose sprayer, $4.99. Guys still have to check it out. This is one of the new ones. 1 1/4 gallon home and garden sprayer. Out of these two, I do have this one. Works pretty good. Already have a year with it. I use it for work all the time. So yeah, pretty good. And then you have the 5x8 or 5/8 by 50 feet heavy duty garden hose, $14.99. You got the 3/4 100 feet commercial duty, $27.99. You got the 4-gallon backpack sprayer, $19.99. You got the 12 volts 5-gallon or 15-gallon spot sprayer, $79.99. You got the 6 pattern trigger nozzle. This thing works great. Sits outside. I'm on the second one already, but the other one took a beating. Sit outside in the sun for like, let's say about a year and a half or so. Still work great, but I ended up throwing away because one of the plastics gave up. Heavy duty foam kneeling pad, $3.99. Got the mesh deck wagon, $59.99. That's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.